My family and I bought the Mindful Design Flood Alarm 8-pack a few months ago. It has been a fantastic safety net. Think of them as silent, ever-vigilant sentinels. They stand guard. They protect our home. These detectors are simple to use. Also, they are effective. We placed them everywhere. We put them in our bathrooms, we put them in the laundry room. We put them in the kitchen and the basement. My son even put one in his attic. The installation was a breeze. We simply placed them on the floor. Therefore, they are ready to act. Since then, we have had peace of mind. We have not had any leaks. But we feel secure. I can finally sleep better. I know my home is protected. The Mindful Design Flood Alarm 8-pack is a real lifesaver. Furthermore, its 95 decibels alarm is incredibly loud. It would certainly wake us up. I did a test run. The sound is piercing. It is not something you would miss. The detectors are also very sensitive. They react to even a small amount of water. Just a few drops trigger the alarm. Consequently, this gives you time to act. You can stop a small leak. It can't become a huge flood. A flood is a homeowner's worst nightmare. So, these detectors are like an early warning system. They are small and white. They blend in well. They do not look out of place. We even put one in our garage. Hence, we are protected from all angles. Above all, this product is great value. The pack has 8 detectors. This is perfect for a large home. It covers all key areas. Likewise, the quality is top-notch. They are made by Mindful Design. This company is known for good products. I highly recommend the Mindful Design Flood Alarm 8-pack to anyone. It is a necessary investment. It protects your property. It also safeguards your peace of mind. Therefore, do not wait for a flood. Buy these detectors now. You will not regret it. They are small but mighty guardians. They are definitely worth every penny. Pros. Works just as expected. Economical way to detect water leaks. Alarm is easily heard throughout house. Prevents water damage. Easy to set up and use. Solid safety measure. Fits into small spaces. Loud enough to hear upstairs. Catches even a teensy sniff of water. Important for home protection. A low-cost alarm. Cons. Short-lived batteries. 2 of the 4 batteries were dead. 1 device not working. Features. 8-pack of water leak detectors. Loud 95 decibels alarm. Detects floods and leaks. Sensor for detecting water. Suitable for various rooms. Use in basements and garages. Ideal for bathrooms and kitchens. Can be used in laundry rooms. White color. Made by Mindful Design. The Mindful Design 8-pack of water leak detectors is a simple and effective way to protect your home from water damage. Each small, white device is easy to place in areas prone to leaks, like bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, basements, and garages. When the sensor detects water, it sounds a loud 95 decibels alarm, alerting you to the problem so you can act quickly and prevent a small leak from becoming a major flood. This pack is a straightforward and affordable solution for anyone looking to add an extra layer of security against water damage in multiple rooms of their home. The Mindful Design 8-pack of water leak detectors provides a straightforward and affordable way to protect your home from water damage. These compact sensors are designed to fit into small spaces like bathrooms, basements, and kitchens, where they can detect even a small amount of water. When a leak is detected, a loud 95 decibels alarm sounds, which is easily heard throughout the house, including on different floors. While the devices are praised for being easy to set up and use, some users have noted issues with the initial battery quality and a small number of defective units. Despite these potential drawbacks, most people consider them an effective and essential tool for home safety.